English Danish. I will have.
Jeg vil have.
Fast track. Welcome and warm up. Hey you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Ready to laugh and learn fast? Imagine you're at a cozy Copenhagen cafe. In a few minutes, you'll confidently say future wants and plans using Danish.
Vil.
Plus.
Have.
Your goal. Nail every person.
Jeg vil have. Du vil have. Han vil have. Hun vil have. Det vil have. Vi vil have. I vil have. De vil have.
Your goal today. You'll master the simple pattern and sound natural, no grammar headaches, just wins. Understand the pattern.
Vil.
Will, want, plus.
Have.
To have. Say it for all persons.
Jeg, du, han, hun, det, vi, I, de vil have.
Use it to order food, make plans, or promise outcomes. Quick forms, big laughs. Repeat after me, tiny cafe jokes included. Speak up. I will have.
Jeg vil have.
Coffee and the Wi-Fi password, obviously. You, sing, will have.
Du vil have.
Extra time, your meeting just got shorter. He will have.
Han vil have.
Cake, because hero fuel. She will have.
Hun vil have.
Tea, make it Hugo-sized. It will have.
Det vil have.
More features after the update. We will have.
Vi vil have.
A break, mandatory snack protocol. You, plural, will have.
I vil have.
Answers after the briefing. They will have.
De vil have.
Lunch the second the clock says 12. Mini dialogue. The cafe time machine. Step into our time travel cafe and order like a pro. You. I point at the board and say.
Jeg vil have.
A latte, please. Friend, nudging you, relax.
Du vil have.
Cake later, trust me. Barista. For him.
Han vil have.
The biggest slice we've got. Barista. For her.
Hun vil have.
A mint tea. Tech friend, our app?
Det vil have.
A new feature tomorrow. Group leader, table for 4.
Vi vil have.
That corner with sunshine. Server to the group. Menus for you all.
I vil have.
The specials in a second. Whisper from the queue. Those folks behind us.
De vil have.
Everything. Ambitious. Drill. Call and response. Say it out loud. Your plant will applaud your pronunciation. Me. I will have. You.
Jeg vil have.
Me. You. Sing. Will have. You.
Du vil have.
Me. He will have. You.
Han vil have.
Me. She will have. You.
Hun vil have.
Me. It will have. You.
Det vil have.
Me. We will have. You.
Vi vil have.
Me. You, plural, will have. You.
I vil have.
Me. They will have. You.
De vil have.
Culture tip. Sound friendly. Polite Danish is easy, tiny tweak, big charm. In Danish.
Vil.
Often reads like, want, will. For softer, extra polite cafe orders, add a gentle word.
Jeg vil gerne have.
En cafe, I'd like to have a coffee. To say no, flip it.
Jeg vil ikke have.
Sucker, I will not have sugar. And remember, present can also express future in Danish, but
Vil.
shows clear intent. Quiz. Fast picks. Trust your first instinct, go. Translate, they will have. Answer.
De vil have.
Say, we will have a break. Answer.
Vi vil have.
End pause. Which is plural, you will have. Answer.
I vil have.
Fill the blank. Tomorrow, underscore 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 more features. Answer.
Det vil have.
Flare functioner. Order for a friend, she, underscore 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 ente. Answer.
Hun vil have.
Ente. Challenge, 8-second sprint. Deep breath, you've got this. In 8 seconds, say all forms in order.
Jeg vil have. Du vil have. Han vil have. Hun vil have. Det vil have. Vi vil have. I vil have. De vil have.
Now backwards for bonus bragging rights. Wrap up and high five. You did great, future you will thank present you. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these lines in real cafes, meetings, and plans, and they'll feel natural fast. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and freebies. Until next time, keep it cozy, keep it curious, and keep saying
Jeg vil have.
with confidence.